tried retail, I've tried sales, I've tried different things, but I've never tried chemical manufacturing, anything in chemical manufacturing. So when it came to FUJIFILM, that was new to me, but that also excited me. So when I first started, I was very new and everything was new, but I was also like a sponge. I would just soak everything in. I asked a ton of questions to the point where I felt like I was kind of annoying, but it was good for me because I truly wanted to grow and learn. Fast forward a year and a half almost, a lead spot opened up. I'm over a group of 8 individuals, and I assigned the technicians under me a tank, and I kind of give them an brief update of where that tank is at and what needs to be done. What excites me is like every day is different. Every day is not the same. You're doing different things every single day, whether that's different tanks or whatnot. It's more like a family. Everyone is trying to help each other grow, pushes each other to grow, like pushes you out of your comfort zone. Financially, you're gonna be blessed if you apply yourself and you're not just, like here for a paycheck, but you actually put pride in your work. Then it's gonna be a great opportunity. Everyone is friendly, nice, and just wants you to be successful.